morning, everybody. So today is Tuesday and this vlog is gonna go up Wednesday, but I decided to vlog today because a lot of you guys liked my chatty videos and you wanted to see more of like what I do every day. So I'm taking you along today with me. Right now we're headed to the golf course because my brother and I are gonna go hit some balls at the range, but I wanted to vlog today especially because I'm going to the beach. The first time I'm going to the beach this summer, which is so sad because it's a little bit colder than what I wanted for the beach weather, but it's gonna be a really fun day. So I wanted to take you guys along with me, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and I'm gonna turn, so I need to focus on the wheel. Like I was saying, if you're new to my channel, I make new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I'm gonna get off this now because I'm driving, so I will see you guys at the golf course. So I did diagonally. We just finished golfing and now we're gonna head home. I have to get ready, take showers, and get ready pretty much for the day. And then I'm taking my brother to his SAT tutor. We'll go get Justin and then we'll head to the beach. So I just got to Justin's house and picked him up. We're gonna head over to the beach now. We're gonna go to Malibu and I'm just so excited. By the way, my sunglasses are MVMT. They are, I don't remember what style they're in, but you get $15 off with the code SEAMS15. This is like one of my favorite styles though that MVMT has ever come out with. It's really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on the road now. We might stop by like Trader Joe's or like a fast food place and get some lunch on our way there, or we might eat somewhere cute in Malibu. But yeah, I will see you guys in Malibu. Reminds me of that Miley Cyrus song. Made it to Malibu and there's somebody honking. We just made it to Malibu and we're gonna get some tacos from this place called Gracias Señor. So super excited. We already ate all the food because we were way too hungry and couldn't resist. Look at the beach though. Surfers. Happy Justin.
I'm so full.
Some watermelon.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. My worst nightmare is that they would all come towards me. Okay, babe. Trying to take flat lays right now, and I've got my little like Louis coin purse, Summer Fridays, this Naked Brooklyn face serum, my San Pellegrino in like a net bag, an open book, trying to make it lifestyle, whereas everything else really looks like this. But yeah, I think we're gonna go in the water in a little bit. Justin and I now came to the Malibu Country Mart. Something's happening with my hair, but we're gonna stop by Sephora and just kind of take a look around. Of course, I come out with something as usual. Now time for some ice cream or Starbucks, we'll see. We came to pasta for dinner. Oh, whoa, why is the color like that? There we go, that's the color of the pasta. How is the pasta, babe?
It's good.
It's good? It's hot too. This is the uni pasta. So excited. Yummy. We finished all of our pasta. It was so good. Oh my gosh. I just got home and I just wanted to show you some of the things I got from Sephora. I picked up the Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment that I always use. I ran out of it, so I bought another one. Then I got the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Perfect Tan Bronzer in Tantric. Really excited about this product because I had heard so many good things about it, and I'm pretty much out of my NARS Laguna bronzer. I got another beauty blender because it was time for me to get another one. And then lastly, I'm trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So it is the first time I'm trying out the Anastasia brow definer, but I have it on my brows now and I tried it on at Sephora, so I'm really excited because it reminds me a lot of the Goof Proof. I think it's the Goof Proof pencil by Benefit, which I used and I loved. I used the Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil for, I've used that twice and now I'm out of it, so I'm going to try this out, see how I like it. But yeah, those are all the products I got from Sephora today. I'm just going to wash up and get ready for bed, probably take a shower, and then I'm going to just go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. If you're new, again, I make new videos Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, so make sure you subscribe, and I will see you back here for another video on Saturday. Bye guys!